In my previous video regarding this matter, I forced out the disc by using a flat screwdriver and I succeeded in to get the disc out. However, this didn't solve my whole problem, so now I have to tear down my PS3 and see what caused the whole issue. For a more detailed way to open your PS3 Slim, please check my other video, PS3 Slim Teardown and Cleaning. In that video I showed every single step done in order to tear down the console. Once this is done, I will also clean it, but let's skip to the disk drive bay unit. There are two Phillips screws at the back of the drive bay. And there's one more Phillips screw in the middle. Now I pull out the top cover and let's see what happens there. I clean it a bit where I see dust inside, however, obviously the problem is not caused by this small amount of dust. When I insert the disc, it doesn't even spin, so there's something stopping it. But at least the disc got ejected. Now I have to find out why the disc doesn't spin. Inside, I found a 20-cent coin, and apparently this caused my whole problem. Don't ask me how the coin got inside. As I said at the beginning, I've got this console used, so I have absolutely no idea how that coin got inside the drive bay. Well, this solved my issue. The disc is spinning and ejects as it should, so there's no reason to tear down the drive bay further. I really doubt this is a common issue, and I doubt many other people will find the coin inside, so most probably you'd have to tear down and investigate further. Since I have no other problem, there's no need to tear down even more. Now I'm gonna test the disc and let's see if it plays. If the console works, and being richer with 20 cents would make me extremely happy. The console seems to work perfectly. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.